Hello and welcome here at Convotherm, live from our service studio. My name is Connie and with me is Heinz, our head of service and the film crew. Today we are going to talk about the Convotherm philosophy, intelligent simplicity, and how this impacts your total cost of ownership. It's all about innovation from the beginning, which really makes sense. Heinz, can you tell us a little bit about intelligent simplicity?
Intelligent simplicity is all about creating smart solutions. And these from the day number one of the combi steamer till the end of his life cycle. This increases the efficiency and means our customer have less costs.
So I see here some tools. Can we learn a little bit about this, the tools? And I don't see plenty of it. So
yeah, there are 9 different tools here on the table, and these are standard tools. That's absolutely standard tools, and these standard tools every technician around the world have in his toolbox. And here you see not a Torx key or a special tool. That's all of these are simple and standard tools. And by the way, with these 9 tools, a technician can make the maintenance, the repair of a combi oven. And not only on the 610, they can make the maintenance and repair of the 610 up to the 2020. Less tools means it is not so complicated to make service. If it's not so complicated to make service on a combi steamer, you have less costs for the end customer.
Talking about reducing the cost of ownership, is this a topic which becomes more and more important? Are you.
Yeah, it is more and more important. Our customers, the dealers, the end customer, also the chef, they call us and ask us about this cost of ownership. How expensive it is to change the door gasket after 2 years. Yeah? They would like to know how expensive it is when a technician has to change a motor, for example.
Perhaps we can have a look at the Convotherm Max Pro and we talk a little bit about the service USPs. And I remember very well we are well known for our 5 service hatches with the Convotherm 4. What about the Convotherm Max Pro?
Yeah. The Max Pro have also the 5 different service hatches. So we have underneath the oven a service hatch, we have it in front of, we have it on the side, and on the pumps also. Yeah, we have the same system. It's absolutely the same service friendly than the Convotherm 4 and the P3. But it is also not covered any different part. So here you see the motor, and this is one of the main parts inside a combi oven, and the motor can be very simple and fast exchanged. We have here the nuts. They have to open these nuts. They have to open some nuts inside the chamber and can put it out before they have, like on our competitors, to dismount some parts in front of the motor.
This saves time, this saves money, it's quick. It's easy. I do listen to you and it sounds so simple, but is that common in our industry?
No, absolutely not. It's not common. So if we have a look to our competitors, we see that some parts need a changing of the position of the combi oven on his back in a gastronomic kitchen. If you think about that, that's normally impossible, but it's needed on some of our competitors to change, for example, underneath the oven a pump. These here, absolutely not needed. The motor is controlled for his different speeds by a frequency converter. You see here 2 different parts, yeah? And these parts are not fixed in one module. These parts are separately made. So some other manufacturers, they put both parts in one module. Yeah? Then later, after years, when the unit have a problem on the motor or maybe on the frequency converter, yeah, the technician have to change this whole module. And yeah, by the way, they cost 1,300 euro compared to here when we change only the motor or we change only the frequency converter, 300 euro. Yeah? So from the cost perspective, this is a big difference.
So I see that was a very good example of how we reduce cost of ownership. And now I think also of the durability of the part itself. Can you please tell us something about this?
We upgrade 2 parts.
With the Convotherm Max Pro.
On the Max Pro, exactly. So we upgrade or we new engineer the material of the door gasket. Yeah? The door gasket is, by the way, the only wear and tear part inside the combi steamer. And the door gasket is having normally 2 years lifetime, depending on the using. And we upgrade it. And we upgrade also the oven lighting. The oven lighting means we change from halogen to LED lighting. So the lifetime now of the lighting, the LED lighting, is 5 years minimum. It's much, much longer than a little bulb.
That's a benefit. And I just think of now the viewers who are already Convotherm 4 operator. Are the door gaskets, are they retrofittable to Convotherm 4?
Yes. There are, at Convotherm, a lot of things are retrofitable when we create a new design or when we engineer it new with new materials, for example. And here the door gasket can be used not only on the Max Pro, they can be used also as well in the previous model, the Convotherm 4, and can be used also in the PS3. So here the customer, the chef, can participate about this new engineered material also in his older unit.
And this brings me now to another topic. And can you please first help me? I think it's a stable unit. Thank you. I was wondering just right now, what's this here? And this brings me to another topic. What about, the warranty itself, the process, or let's say the registration?
When the technician use here his mobile device and go to the photo function, scan this QR code, okay, and automatically the link is open, and on this link they press and a new list starts, and they have to fill out 2 or 3 minutes this list and send it, and then automatically 2nd year warranty for spare parts and warranty registration is made in one way.
That's simple and that's quick.
Yes.
And we don't have to download any app, so we just take a picture with our smartphone and we can register for both, as you just explained. So we've just seen that our philosophy, IntelligentSimplicity, really covers all efficiency aspects. And it's all about innovation from the beginning, which really makes sense. And so if you want to have more information on that, and please watch our videos on different topics. So Heinz, thank you very much.
Thank you, you're welcome.
And goodbye.
Bye.